Hello, children. I am back again with a very important problem from matrices which carries a weightage of 5 marks. Before I proceed further, इस वीडियो को skip मत करना ये सोच के that it is the same problem as there in your NCERT book. It is different. आपने जो problems उसमें करी हैं book में they are of the type simple matrix method. Ax equal to b gives you x equal to a inverse b. This one is different, slightly different. So let us proceed and see how we are going to solve. Here it is given to us matrix A, 1 2 0 minus 2 minus 1 2 and so on. Now we know how to find A inverse. First of all, we find the determinant, and if determinant is non-zero, A inverse exists. A inverse is adjoint A upon determinant A. Now, many of you are very well versed in finding A inverse. कि A inverse कैसे find करते हैं, how to find adjoint A upon determinant A. Those who know this, for them I will sum up this question quickly, and for others I will explain how to find adjoint A in a little while. So once you find A inverse, how we use it to solve the equations, right? Now here equations will give you the coefficient matrix. We have to frame a coefficient matrix like it will become 1 2 1 minus 2 0 2 minus 1 1 minus 1. So the coefficient matrix will be of this type. 1 minus 2 0 2 minus 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 1. What you are going to observe is that कि A ट्रांसपोज है. दिस इज नॉट A. जो मैट्रिक्स आपको गिवन है A, ये उसका A ट्रांसपोज है. जो आपने NCERT में क्वेश्चंस करे हैं दैट इज Ax इक्वल टू B एंड यू फाइंड x इज इक्वल टू A इनवर्स B एंड योर क्वेश्चन इज डन. नाउ व्हाट हैपन्स जब आप A ट्रांसपोज को इस साइड लोगे तो यहाँ इनवर्स हो जाएगा. नाउ द इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टेप इज transpose and inverse can be interchanged, right? So I take inverse inside and transpose outside. Both the expressions are equal. तो जो आपने इन्वर्स फाइंड करा है आप उसका ट्रांसपोज लोगे और 10 8 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. दिस इज ट्रांसपोज ऑफ द A inverse which you have find out here. See, we had minus 3 minus 2 minus 4 and here that goes in the column. हमने इनवर्स के रोज और कॉलम इंटरचेंज कर दिए, उसका ट्रांसपोज लिया है एंड देन वी गॉट आर सोल्यूशन एज x इक्वल टू 0 y इक्वल टू -5 एंड z इक्वल टू -3. You can check your answer by putting these values in the equations which you have. So you can check your values from here. When you will put your values here, x is 0 and y is -5. -2 into -5 is 10. So your answer is correct. आंसर चेक करना इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज दैट विल हेल्प यू टू नो योर कैलकुलेशन एरर. अगर आपकी कहीं वैल्यू गलत आई है सो यू विल बी एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई कि यू नीड टू चेक योर एडजॉइंट और इनवर्स. So now those who have forgotten that how to find adjoint A inverse and adjoint, I am quickly giving a recap. Determinant सबको निकालना आता है. 1 लिया है और फिर -1 -1 -2 and how you solve it, you know it. And only if your determinant value is non-zero, A inverse exists. Whenever determinant A is non-zero, A is non-singular. What is the implication of non-singular matrix? Determinant A is non-zero. And then we say A inverse exists. Now adjoint A is transpose of the cofactor matrix. Corresponding to every element A11, A12, A13 we have cofactors जिन्हें हम नेम करते हैं कैपिटल A से. A11, A12, A13, these are the corresponding cofactors, and when you take their transpose, rows become columns and you get the new matrix, and this is your adjoint A. Now I have to put my find the values of my cofactors. a11 a11 is -1 1 plus 1 -1 -2 -1 -1 -3। हर कोफैक्टर के आगे आपको -1 लिखना है और उसकी पार क्या होगी, ये जो आपके सबस्क्रिप्ट है 1 + 1 का सम, हेयर 1 + 2 का सम, एंड सो ऑन यू कैन फाइंड। एंड कोफैक्टर ऐसे ही फाइंड करते हैं जैसे आप डिटर्मिनेंट में फाइंड करते हो, बाय हाइडिंग, like if I want to find cofactor corresponding to 1, hide this row, hide this column, and you will get -1 -2 -1 in this small determinant of order 2, तो -3 हो गया। And similarly a12 also, hide element a12 and write the leftover elements over here. Hide the row and column containing the element a12 and you will get this, and so on. We can find our cofactors, and once we have found our cofactors, we put their value in here. -3 2 2, I have written them vertically, you can write them directly over here, and similarly -2 1 1 -4 2 3. And when we have to find A inverse, we write 1 upon determinant A. So this was a quick recap of how we find A inverse. For those who have forgotten कि A inverse कैसे find करते हैं, rest I have explained कि आपको कैसे equations को matrices में convert करना है. The only important thing was, here in place of A you are having A transpose, and it will be X will become A transpose inverse, and transpose and inverse can be interchanged so that X is equal to A inverse transpose into B. And when you solve, you get your values for X, Y, Z. I hope this problem was clear to you. So see you in the next video with important questions of relations and functions. Till then, take care. Goodbye, children.